Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. PPI figures, seconds away. We're going to bring it to you now. Okay. Oh dear. Expect a red day. Expect a red day. 0.4. PPI is up 0.4. Expected 0.3. Core 0.3. Core has fallen. That's the most important. 0.2. It's a mixed bag. We're going to bring it to you now. PPI, inflation, initial jobless figures, 225,000 forecast, 242 actual numbers. So the jobless claims has gone up. Economy is hot. This could be a volatile day. We'll bring you more information in the coming moments. Here we go.
Squawk Box, Rick Santelli here. HQ. Breaking news. The wholesale cousin of yesterday's consumer price index, the November read for the producer price index. Expected up 0.2, double that, up 0.4, up 0.4. That equals June. To find a higher, you have to go all the way back to April.
You might not get a rate cut now in December.
Food and energy, as expected, up 0.2. That's 1/10 lighter than the 0.3 in the rear view mirror. If we strip out food, energy, and trade, it's up 1. That's 1/10 light and 0.2 under where we were last month. Up 1/10 equals September. To find a lower number, you're going all the way back to unchanged in May of 23. Yes, May of 23. Now, let's take a step back and do year over year. Not very good news here.
No.
3% on
This is what we
headline
warned of yesterday.
year over year. That's a big jump. We're expecting 2.6, rear view mirror 2.4. 3%. We're going to be going, 3%. You have to go all the way back to February of 23 to find a higher number, and that was all the way up at 4.7. Now, if we look at year over year ex food and energy, that's 3.4. Also hotter than expected. 0.3 hotter than the rear view mirror. 3.4 to find
there goes
a higher
the market.
number.
This is what we said yesterday.
February of 23.
Hope you didn't buy it.
Now, the last one, year over year ex food, ex energy, ex trade, up 3.5. Exactly in the rear view mirror, and the rear view mirror 3.5 back to back. Well, that means we are looking at the highest back-to-back levels since February and March of 23, when it was 4.5 and 3.7. Let's look at initial claims. 242,000. That's a heck of a jump.
Yep.
We're expecting 220-ish. Rear view mirror 225. 242 would be the highest since
Expect a red day, and it is.
Of this year. On continuing claims, 1,886,000, the 26th consecutive week above 1.8 million. And if we look at the number of 1.9 million, the last time we were there would have been November of 21. A few weeks back, we did have a few of those 1.9s, but they were revised out. After all of that, and once again, warmer than expected, the metrics with PPI. Over a month, we're a little light, so your course going to get the analyzing crowd. You know, they're going to annualize this and come up with a lower rate. But after everything we did, we're at 429 and a 10, Joe. Before the numbers, that was up 2 basis points. We're basically at 428 plus right now. And if you look at what was going on overseas, yesterday, Bank of Canada cut. This morning, Swiss National Bank cut 50. They're down to only 50 now, 0.5%. The ECB... Eastern also cut a quarter as expected, down to 3%. At 1 Eastern, we have the last of 119 billion in Treasury coupon supply in the form of 22 billion 30-year bonds. And as I said, the inflation was warmer yesterday. Today, markets seem to ignore it, but they didn't ignore it all day after yesterday's spectacular 10-year note auction, which should have pushed yields down. What did they do? They zoom. You can only squeeze this inflation for so many hours before it seems to pop out in higher rates at some point. Today is the 4th consecutive session. 10-year note yields have traded higher than its previous day's high yield. It's a lot of info there. Sorry about that. You know, you got to give it all to the viewers. Joe, back to you.
Very, very good. Yeah, so like we said yesterday, there was no surprise. I said live on the show, please do not chase the CPI. Wait till tomorrow. And I said yesterday morning it was popping up. It was not good news. The market was trying to push it up. The Santa rally, which we still believe is in place. However, it was going up yesterday. I said don't chase it. It will sell off. It didn't do it straight away. It started to do it last night live on the show. I said, okay, it's starting to go now, and now it's begun. Okay, expect volatility on the markets today. It has sold off. So if you bought yesterday, I warned against it. Do not buy. This is not over. Inflation is not done with. And we've got massive figures today. So the market is going to trim off from yesterday. So if you bought yesterday, at the top going up, then you're going to be out of the money now. For me, I am still way up. I'm waiting for the drops now to buy. There does not need to be any buying yet. The Santa rally won't continue and won't kick off now until another couple of days. Remember, it's the 5 days, last trading days and the first 2 days of January. So we've got a little bit of time to go into that. We need a correction, pull back before we go again. But this is a bit of a concern. You shouldn't be buying right now. A lot of the big tech will sell off today. As you can see, it's going down very, very quickly. This is exactly as predicted. This is great. And also you can see defensive Coca-Cola going up. Coca-Cola was oversold. People are now going to buy Coca-Cola. It's a shame because I would like to have bought more in just a few more days, but it's going to go up now because, which is great. I mean, I'm in it. If it goes up, I win. If it goes down, I win. I always win anyway, but the point is, if it goes up today, that's great, but I would have liked to have bought more, and it probably will. J&J will probably go up today. Our defenses will go up today. People will take profit from tech, and they'll buy at the dip. Crypto will suffer a bit as well today, but there goes the market. Down she goes. So get ready to buy more, but wait. Have patience, and patience. We're not going to buy anything for at least an hour or two, but I've got $61,000 ready to go, ready to buy, but I'm not going to buy yet. Finger on the button. All right. Okay, this is a members-only live stream. We shall now go over to general public once we've covered all the members' questions. Hi all. Hi Mike. How you doing? Hello Mike. Sushi Master. Good morning Sushi. Good morning everyone. Namisha is here. Mike and everyone. Good morning Dan Ackerman. Good morning Dan Ackerman. War Smile. Hello. How you doing? Everybody remember to hit the like button. Thank you Dan. Namisha saying hello to everybody. We love it. So should we take profits? Should have taken profits yesterday, not now. Too late. You should not have bought yesterday. I told everybody, do not buy this. Too late. It's gone down now. Don't want to be selling now. Yesterday was the time to be selling. It was overbought. Anyway, Lawrence Tio. Lawrence, I think it was you who commented on Discord for a suggestion for a giveaway. I think it was you. Where was it now? Where did I see it? Was it suggestions? No, it wasn't suggestions. Ask the family. Yes, it was Lawrence Tio. Lawrence Tio has suggested a cash giveaway, another one. And we'll have to have a video live stream talking about all of this, but I've seen it. Thank you very much. Acknowledged it. Thank you very much for that. We'll get back to you. Octavio, good morning, Garcia. Octavio Garcia. Hi, Martin. Thank you for the analysis. You are welcome. Right, I've covered all my members. This is a members-only live stream. We will now switch over to general public. Now we've covered the main news and invite our guests in once again. So let's go back over to general public, and let's just make a couple of adjustments. We need to change the playlist as well. Take it out of there because it's not upcoming anymore. It's happened. Let's go there. Let's go there. Okay, we've saved that. We're now general public for our general audience. Let me refresh the screen. Yes, there we go. All right. We're now open to the world again. Wanted to always bring the breaking news to our members first. That way we can answer all the questions. Hi, Martin. My Discord name, Jatinder Singh. Okay, let me just do that for you now. There'll be a time in the show where we'll do all these, but I will do yours just because we haven't got all the crowd in yet. If you've just tuned in, we were just members only live stream on the breaking news that the markets will be going down today as PPI has come in very, very hot. I warned everybody yesterday it was a members only live stream before the news came out. We are now in general public mode once again. Okay, so let me go to Discord for you. If you've sent me a friend request now, I will accept it. There you go. JT. I found you. There you go. Jatinder Singh. I found you. Have you sent me a friend request? No, you haven't, so I can't accept it. Be careful of the scammers. They will try to pretend to be me. If you send me a friend request, tell me and I will go back and look at it. But you haven't done it yet, so I can't accept it. Let me just change your nickname to what it is here on YouTube. Jatinder Singh. Let me just copy and paste that in. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing. This is you. When you, there you go. You are in. So you are upgraded and your nickname is created. And I'll check once again. No, friend request not sent. So be careful of the scammers. Just so you know, you could get caught out there. All right. If you do send it, let me know later on and I will go back and look. Okay, you're very welcome. Very welcome indeed. Good morning. Time, but not sure what that means. Remember, people just hold. No. You shouldn't have bought in the first place. I told everyone not to buy yesterday. I just started investing in crypto about 2 weeks ago. I'm learning so much here. Thank you. Stepping into grace. You're very, very welcome. Good morning to you. Good morning, everyone. Okay, fantastic. Hi from Australia. Cindy McDonald, Dan Ackerman. Good morning. Market selling off exactly as predicted yesterday. We said it would sell off, and it has. And PPI is coming in hot. I hope you didn't chase the market yesterday. We told everyone not to do so. So anyway, let's just update. We've got 121 watching, 17 likes. Can everyone tap the like button, please? This is urgent information we want to get out to all our viewers. We were live early, giving you the breaking news that the market would go down, and then the inflation. We did the first 15 minutes for members only live stream. You would have missed that if you weren't a member. We went early and we covered the breaking news. I hope you got out. I hope you didn't buy yesterday. All right, we need to let the world know about this. This is a big day today. This could mean no rate cuts in December, and that could sell off going into the... We still get Santa Rally, but we'll sell off first, so you shouldn't be buying it. Okay, so here we go. Let's get everyone to like this. We need 100 likes in the next 1 minute. Very, very important. We want to get the word out to our members not to buy. Be careful. You shouldn't be selling either. You should already be out. You should already be in if you'd bought a long time ago. But you shouldn't be buying yesterday, and you should not be buying now. It's just the beginning. So here we go. 123. Whoops. 100. Oh, how am I? I'm all over the place. 123 watching. 124 watching. We need 100 likes in the next minute. There's 32 likes. Can everyone tap the like button, please? There we go. We've got to get this word out to our members and our teams because this is a bad day today for the economy. We're going to get opportunities to buy more. Those that bought are going to be losing today. Everyone yesterday was buying Tesla like it was being given away. Unbelievable. I was warning people on my X, on my Instagram, do not buy. And I said yesterday on the live stream it would go down. No one listened. No one listened because the markets went up and people kept buying. And now you're paying the price. Up with 42 likes. Come on, everybody, smash the like button. Let's refresh the screen. It should show 42 now. We've got one down like. Why you down like this, I've no idea. If you bought it, you're losing money. I warned against it. 46 is 46. We want 100 likes so we can share the information out. YouTube will share it out when we get to 100 likes. I'm going to end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody else decided to down like. Well, that's up to you. You're obviously losing money. I did warn everybody. If you pay attention, that's up to you or not. It doesn't bother me. I'm always making money. 46 is up. 46. Thank you very much. I'll refresh it. It should be 51 now. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, 53. Great. If we can get to 100, we can get the news out. So if you've just tuned in, We had a let me refresh that a minute. This morning we had a members-only live stream warning everybody that the markets would sell off on the PPI news. We told you yesterday that this was likely to happen, and people didn't listen. Yesterday, they just kept buying Tesla, and now, there you go. There you go. It's going down now. People yesterday just kept buying and buying and buying, no one paying any attention. Let's just keep buying and buying and buying. No, the time to buy was earlier this year. We were buying Tesla at 110. Now you're buying it at 422. What are you doing? And now it's selling off. So unless you got out at the top yesterday, you're all losing money. So please be careful. Inflation is now sticky. And it's just got a lot more sticky as well. So let's look at all our positions as we bring you this news. The whole market is going down. VU is down. The S&P is down 0.25%, nearly 1/3% now. S&P Global is up. I will show you now. Before I look, I promise you, I will see defensives going up. Coca-Cola and J&J will probably be up today. Virgin Galactic won't like this. This will cripple them because rates will probably come down a lot slower. We might not even get a rate cut in December. The Russell, anyone borrowing money, will not like this today. If you're buying rubbish, you are in trouble today. Palantir, you're in trouble there. Way too expensive. This will sell off. It's down 1.5%. You should not have bought Palantir. Gold is going down. Gold is not a defensive. Gold is used in macro conditions like wars, insecurity. We haven't got insecurity now. What we've got is people buying defensives. Amazon down, Apple is flat, Next Era Energy down, Enphase Energy down, Coca-Cola up. There it is. There is your proof right there. J&J up, proof again. Defensives is now being bought back. Defensives were sold off to buy a pump of Tesla. Huge mistake. I told everyone not to do it. People didn't listen. They bought it. Now you've got Coca-Cola going up. So like I said, a balanced portfolio, understanding how to make money and how to protect money is the absolutely only way to invest. You can see my portfolio going down today. This is the S&P, but my Coca-Cola is holding my portfolio up and pumping. So you see what I'm saying? Cannot lose this way around. I would have preferred Coca-Cola not pump today. If it goes up, that's great. But I want to buy more. I want to buy $8,000 more on the 1st of January. But it's still quite low. I mean, let's be honest. We're still down 5% on it. We'll get some money go into it today, but not huge amounts because the good news won't come until the second quarter next year. So people don't want to buy too much. What they'll do today, they'll buy Coca-Cola. They'll buy J&J. They'll make a quick scalp trade. They'll take money from it. I'll be able to maybe get out and buy back if it goes up enough, but I doubt it. It will just sell back down again. People will buy the dip on the S&P. They'll buy the dip on Tesla. They'll buy the dip on Palantir once it's settled, but it hasn't settled yet, and it won't settle yet to probably the mid-afternoon. This is a good move today if you've got a balanced portfolio. My overall portfolio, as you can see, has hardly moved. It's hardly moved. My defensive stocks is protecting my portfolio. It's keeping me up. It may even give me enough to trim and buy the S&P on this dip. This was not the original plan, but you've always got to be flexible. If the S&P falls enough today and Coca-Cola goes enough today, I've got my dividend guaranteed, which I think gets paid in 3 days' time. It might actually be today, actually. Let me just have a quick look. That's guaranteed whether I sell or not. That's free money now. That's in the bank for me. There we go. December 16th, $205. That will be coming to me for free on the 16th, 4 days time, regardless if I sell or not. If we get a nice pop on Coca-Cola, because it was sold off today, and I get a 1% profit on it, and the S&P dips enough, then I can actually sell that early and buy the S&P now on the dip. That would be a great move. I would win both ways round. So that might happen. We'll see how that plays out. Right, if you've just tuned in, we were members only for the breaking news this morning. We are always now, because we've got over 600. In fact, I will tell you now what we've got exactly. We're doing this more and more. Well, I'm not doing it more and more. I'm doing it all the time. Yeah, here we go. We now have 620 members, 620 members, 98 if not more of our live viewers are members. So we are now going always members only for the breaking news early, before the shows, early to bring you the breaking news, warning you what's about to happen before it happens, and that's what we're going to do. And then we'll go general public like we are now. The video will change as we've covered all the news and all the headlines and answered all the questions from the members. But there you can see 620 members now, up 129%. In the last 30 days, we've gained 994% members. The channel is exploding, and we have to make sure that I give the best service to the members. They are the ones that support the shows. I don't make enough money on ad revenue. It's all members to support the channel to go live. So that's why we're doing it like this. All right. So, okay. How do you view the technical fundamentals of crypto? How do you view the technical fundamentals of crypto? Well, that doesn't make sense, because the technical fundamentals are fundamentals and technical to technicals. That's two different things. That's like saying, how do you compare the apples compared to the oranges? I mean, they're completely different, right? I do the fundamentals, the news, the relationships with CEOs, the live interviews, all of that. Sensei does all the technical crypto charts, as he will again on Sunday, and he pops in a lot during the week. All right, Kurt, what's the crypto market going to do? What's the crypto market going to do today? Well, everything will sell off today, and as you can see, crypto is down today overall. If we look at our favorite XRP, I wouldn't be surprised if that's trimming. Let's have a look. There we go. We're predicting a 50% crash still on XRP. No matter how bullish we are, we're still expecting a 50% crash. So be very, very careful buying. The time has come and gone for that. There you go. Defensive still going up. There's my defensive element to my portfolio. S&P going down. How much percent will S&P need to fall for you to buy more? How much will it need to go down for me to buy more? Well, because I am extremely bullish on the S&P long term, but I've got to calculate now the cost of margin will stay up higher for longer. I would somewhere in the region of, I will buy $10,000 of the S&P live on the show if it drops 1.75%, I will buy 10, and if it holds there for more than a couple of hours, I will add another 10,000. As long as there's no macro conditions, no news to suggest anything untoward going on in the Middle East, which might then give me an extra 1%. Because a lot of these things come together. When we see a weakness, then suddenly, you'll see it a lot, suddenly Iran decide to drop a few bombs on Israel, and then we get an extra dip because the market gets wobbly, and then you can buy that extra dip. So I'll be looking at that, but that gives you a general idea where I'm going to pull the pin, where I'm going to go. Ideally, I'd like to be able to sell Coca-Cola if it pops up today 5%. I don't think it will, but if it does and I get my money out, because I've got my free dividends now, I can buy the S&P on the dip. Very, very exciting day. Really good. This could be live trading during the day. I don't normally trade live on the show, but this could be a live trade on my Roth IRA. So this could be good. This could be a good day. Good day for investors, bad day for gamblers. Okay, let me just come back to the questions a moment. We're getting very busy well, we're okay actually. We're still okay. Let's have a look. I see likewise. I was here in 22 and Martyn had less than 20 live viewers. Now I'm so glad for him. Thank you very much indeed, Mr. B. Yeah, we had 130,000 join us the other day. 130,000 people were live with me. 11,000 concurrent, the highest level concurrently. But yeah, 130,000. We're gaining like 1,200 subscribers a day. It's pretty bonkers. That's awesome. Did inflation results come out yet? Yes, we covered it for all our members, Kevin. We did a members-only live stream beforehand. We told everybody what was going to happen. It did. We warned you all yesterday on a members-only live stream. What happened? What we said happened. It was so obvious, but there we go. Yes, we covered it all this morning on a members-only live stream. Now we're open to general public. We always bring the breaking news ahead of the main shows for our members. Lucas AIDS, by the way, did anyone see the 17% Walgreens pump a couple days ago? Song for Space. No, I didn't see that. Martin, I was asking about technical analysis of crypto. Was asking about the technological aspects of fundamentally of crypto. Is it unique, etc.? Does it have a future? I'm sorry, I don't fully understand the question. Was asking about the technological aspects of fundamentally. The grammar's, I don't know if English is your first language, but if you want to speak to me in your own language, Mr. B. Canal, I'll translate it. But I don't fully understand the question with the grammar that you've used. Is it unique? Does it have a future? Does crypto have a future? Yes, it does. Is it unique? Is crypto unique? I suppose. I'm not fully understanding the question. I'm sorry. I love when the markets go down on my ex-dividends day. It helps me buy more shares. Exactly, Fight. This is a great day for investors, a rubbish day for gamblers who bought yesterday. 50% of the drop. Oof. I'm long but tempered now to sell XRP and reposition. I'm the gambler you refer to. Chris, good luck with that. We don't gamble here. I never lose on trades. I'm always making money. I never lose. If you never lose, even if you win just small, you'll always win the race. Always. Hope TPL stops diving. It will take forever to reach the highs again. Well, not necessarily. If you buy the dips, it won't. I think this is a big correction now. Hit the like button, folks. 50% dip on XRP. But when do you think it will happen? Sensei will give you those details on his next live show. My first language is German, so I will pose my question in German. Please do. Please present it in German, and I will translate it. Absolutely. I realize that. I realize that. Okay, cheers. You're welcome. Okay. Now then, let's go for all our positions and where we can see the best advantages today. So the S&P is sold off. That was no surprise. S&P Global, remember the Wall Street at the moment are fighting the Fed. Never fight the Fed. They just keep buying, keep thinking they can outperform the Fed. You can't, but they're trying to accelerate the Santa rally. We've had so much already, this could sell off now. Virgin Galactic is down, exactly like I said. What did I say 5 minutes ago? Virgin Galactic will not like this today. This is a very, very bad day for them. This means that inflation will stay up, interest rates will stay up higher for longer. This can hurt Virgin Galactic big time. So be careful. Palantir, what did I say 10 minutes ago? Palantir, sell off. Too expensive, already was. Now people will trim and take their money. S&P Gold Trust going down. Amazon going down. Apple just holding. NEE going down. Enphase going down. Tell me you bought at 65 and you sold at 75. Told everyone to do that. I hope you did that. Coca-Cola just keeps going up. Defensive, keep going up. J&J. Why isn't that refreshing the screen? I'm showing you stuff on the screen and you're not seeing it. My computer hasn't been restarted since Sunday, and it's done so much, it needs a restart. It's not showing you what I'm showing you. Yeah. Come on. Let me refresh the screen, see if I can... There we go. Yeah, the computer needs a restart. This is... I've been streaming 24 hours a day on the extra channel, 12 hours a day. Yeah, the computer is saying, restart me, clean me out. Johnson & Johnson going up today. Chevron Oil up today. That's a bit of a scare. Tesla, wow, this could go down 5% today. It's overbought, massively overbought, too expensive in the first place. Rivian, McDonald's holding up. Defensives, there goes Google, there goes Microsoft, there goes Nvidia. Big drop on Nvidia today. We told you Nvidia could go as low as 100. We like it. We see it going to 200, but it can go to 100 before it gets to 200. And now we're going to have a big drop. It's gone down 1.1% already. If you're in margin, you're down maybe 2.5% today on NVIDIA. If you're in margin on NVIDIA today, you could be down 2% on it. Tilray Brands barcoding, do not touch it. Do not touch it. Could probably go bust the way it's going. Robinhood will sell off because it just reached our target. $40 was the target. Now it's selling off. IonQ, way too expensive. That's down 2%. If you're in margin on that one, you're down 4% today. Rocket Lab, too expensive. That same thing. 1.5% today. You'd be down 3 on margin. Plug Power down 2% today. Time to buy was at 2. We keep shouting it. 2. Take your profit above the 250. Told everyone to take their profit above the 250 until we know what the earnings is going to be. How many did it? I don't know, but it's going down now. Bitcoin is up today, 0.23. XRP is down. XRP is underperforming the main asset, Bitcoin. We can see it going down 50%. The time to buy, well, we've been through the times to buy. We've done it over and over again. All right, okay. The $2 was the latest buy-in, by the way. Right, let's go through that. Let me see the questions. Good morning, Lucas Age. Good morning. I need to take a moment's break. Would the Lucas Aids take over? I need to take a moment's break. All right, I'll be right back. I've got something I've got to take care of. If everybody would just take over the show. Hi, folks. It'll just be a couple of minutes. I'm just dealing with a bit of an issue here in the house, and I'll be right back. Just please take over the show, all the Lucas Aids. Do apologise. I wouldn't do it if it wasn't absolutely essential. Okay, I'm back with. Sorry about that, folks. I'm also back with some breaking news. Donald Trump, New York Stock Exchange. Let's go live.
Some people say, "Wow, that's a little risky, isn't it?" And I said, "Maybe it is. We'll see. We'll see what happens." But we like to take little chances. But that's not a bad chance. Here's a gentleman that's going to do a great job at HUD. Good luck, my friend. Right? He's going to be a. He's been my friend for a long time. Nice to see
Live from the New York Stock
I haven't
Exchange,
shaken his hand yet.
Donald Trump. What is he having to say?
Really, you're going to be great. And Ben Carson is your biggest fan in the world. You know that. Ben has been with us for a long time and has done a fantastic job. Thank you. Good. So, ladies and gentlemen, go on. We're going to put it straight. We're going to give tremendous incentive like no other country has. We're cutting your taxes. We're going to cut them very substantially. We're 21% from probably 42 or 44%, depending on where you are. And we got them down to 21. Everyone said that was a miracle. Now we're getting them down to 15, but only if you make your product here. Otherwise, you pay 21, which is not bad. It's in the middle of the pack. But 15 brings you down to among the lower. And,
wow.
And for those that are running the big companies, those great, big, beautiful companies, nobody's going to. You're going to be coming back. You're going to be bringing them. United States, we are incentivizing everybody to come back to the United States. We want you back here. Car manufacturers, everybody. And we have one product that nobody has really to the extent that we do. It's called oil and gas. There is no country in the world that has more. We're number one. I brought it to number one during my first term in terms of production. We're going to be number one plus. We'll do numbers that nobody will really see before. And prices are going to start coming down, becoming for their groceries, and they're going to be affording their groceries very soon. I tell the story about a woman an old woman, no money, went to a grocery store, had 3 apples. She put them down on the counter, and she looked, and she saw the price, and she said, "Would you excuse me?" And she walked one of the apples back to the refrigerator and came back to pay for the 2 apples, and she left with 2 apples, and Downer said that was so sad. And I heard about the story. I said, that should never happen in America, and it's not going to happen in America. We're going to do it right, and we're going to take care of our people, and we're going to do things that nobody ever thought even were possible. But we're going to have an economy the likes of which nobody's ever seen before, and everybody's coming back to America.
This is Donald Trump talking live from the New York Stock Exchange.
They're all saying, we want to come back, we want to come back. And with a couple of changes done by Howard and Scott and some of the here with me, we're going to bring them all. We're going to all coming back. So thank you very much. This is a great honor, and ringing the bell will be fantastic. And go out and get them. We're with you all the way. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That is the president-elect, surrounded by, as you saw, RFK
There we
Jr.,
go. Donald Trump at the New York Stock Exchange making some very big statements indeed on the day that inflation has proved to have been sticky. The market's sold off. It has reacted positively to the news of what he's just said. So it did sell off. At the moment Donald Trump started speaking, the stock started to go up again. I just can't see we're going to get a rally today because we've got a really scary PPI. What do you think of this? I'd love your thoughts on this. This is going to go out as its own video. We're making this in a live show this morning as we reported a members-only event this morning prior to the news of inflation being sticky. Predicted yesterday, do not buy yesterday. Everyone overbought Tesla. Of course, Tesla is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is Donald's best mate now. Elon Musk is getting a big pump on Tesla. It's overbought. It's a great business, but the cost of it right now is insane. And we said it was overbought. We said inflation was sticky. It is, and it went down. But it did go up when Donald Trump started to speak. Where's it going to go on the bell? Well, the bell is in 15 minutes' time. We'll find out in a few moments' time. So stick with us. Let's see what happens. But for those of you watching this live, this is its own video. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. We're live up to 12 hours a day on the main channel, 24 hours a day on the extra channel. And we have our big parties and events on the music channel every Friday night. Join us. So we have a lot of fun, raise a lot of money for charity, support a lot of people. Okay. Over here, you will find some more playlists that I think you'll find useful. And also down here, the FOMC report. That comes up in a few days. That'll be our biggest event in December, I would have thought, I would imagine. The FOMC report drags a big audience in because it's the day we find out will rates go up or down. Tune in for that. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Donald Trump live now from the New York Stock Exchange. We went live early this morning for our members predicting do not buy yesterday. It was overbought. We're probably going to get a big drop today. And I said it would sell off on PPI. It did. But now we've got the moment Donald Trump started speaking, we're going to show you that now live. The stock market went up. And now over to that part of the video. Here is Donald Trump. Okay, I shall put that together later. Donald Trump, and the time that we did that was live. That's 45 minutes, so we'll call that 38 minutes. There we go. Plus end. Right. Okay. Now then, we've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Let's see what happens here. Let me read the comments. James 007, I love your comments. Absolutely brilliant. I've been loading up on Inverse, Tesla, and MSTR. TJ Molden, 45V tax credit rule are supposed to be published today with implications for Plug. Added Coca-Cola to the Roth and S&P. Great day for investors. Great day for investors. Bad day for gamblers. Absolutely right. Martin, you can revitalize your PC easy without rebooting it. Empty your temporary folder. It's, this is a Mac. This is a Mac. Let's fix it, Joe. Are you a computer guy? This is great. If I've got a computer guy helping me with my show, absolutely awesome. I've got a Mac Studio Ultra 2 chip, which is currently the best Mac Studio you can get. Thanks to my members this year with the Super Chats, I was able to upgrade my systems. We were running on a much smaller laptop at the beginning, and we upgraded this year to the Mac 2, the Mac Studio. Yeah, really, really good. Thanks to all of you for enabling me to do that. So come back to me if that's the case, if it's a Mac thing as well. We need to have more money when we need it. I could go shopping spree on Nvidia soon. Anyone has a spare 50,000 or more? I love it. MSTR will join the NASDAQ 100 on December the 13th. Good call, Song Space. Zach8, send me that news. I'll do an update on that into Discord, please. Hi, Cell. I'm not sure what that would mean. Say that again. Sorry, I'm new here. You mentioned Sensei dropping a live video on XRP drop. What is the channel? What is the channel called? Chris, it's live here. Sensei is exclusive here. We're live 12 hours a day, 24 hours a day on the extra channel. Here are all the links that you need. There is my X account where I post all my trades before I make them, warning everybody of the drops that would come yesterday. I put the warning out. I told everybody. Don't believe me? People go, yeah, well, I didn't see it. I didn't see it. There it is. There it is. I tell you before, what is the point of people making posts after the effect, trying to get views? These silly YouTubers are trying to get views. Remember, I'm not a YouTuber. How many times do I say this, right? I simply broadcast on YouTube TV. I have friends with CEOs, hedge fund managers. I interview CEOs live from the New York Stock Exchange all the time. It's what we do. The market is going down again now. I warning people all the time. This was a post yesterday. Look, December the 11th, yesterday. Anyone can put a video out and say the markets are going down to try to get views. What I tried to do is bring you the news before it happens. This was yesterday. And yesterday I told people, do not buy the pump. It will sell off. And now it has. And we had a little pump with Donald Trump, but at the end of the day, it's going back down again. So if you want access to my X account and my Instagram where I post the trades before I make them, there's Instagram, there is X. I've just put it in the chat for you. Okay? I can't be more clear than that. There's the extra channel. There is the music channel. There's three channels in our network. Sensei is live on Sunday. He pops in during the day sometimes as well. Chats in the extra channel as well, 24 hours a day. There's Sensei's show on Sunday. 50% crash coming for XRP. There it is on Sunday. Now, I want to be absolutely clear. We are not about selling news. We are not about pumping stories. We're about the facts. Let me be absolutely clear in case there's anyone who's got any misunderstanding. How can we say ahead of time 50% crash for XRP? That is what Sensei feels at this moment. This event is on December the 15th. There's another 3 days before this event happens. But we advertise Sensei's show ahead of time. We advertise our Mobix Labs ahead of time. Later on today, we'll be advertising ahead of time our FOMC report so people are aware of an upcoming event. We don't put every show on straight away. We do it just enough. We don't want to overdo you with the notifications. That's why most people have the notifications turned on. We don't want to overdo it. This could change by Sunday. By Sunday, we could change this thumbnail. So we don't know in 3 days' time. That is the fact. That's what we're saying at the moment to be talked about on Sunday. Okay? We don't know that yet. So again, I reiterate, the purpose of me doing this is not to sell videos. I had a wonderful life as the world piano man, as voted by Elton John. I've done all of that. I'm here to help people. I'm here to bring you the news before it's the news. I'm here to bring you the best world exclusive of the best CEOs, the people we're looking to get Brad Garninghouse on the show, and so on and so forth. You might notice, and I've been messaged now by how many is it now? At least 10 XRP YouTubers who basically go make videos and about drama and XRP going up $1 million and going down to zero all the time. And they do it after the event, after I've been live to 130,000 people with the live events. We bring you the live news as it happens, before it happens. We go live, and then they make videos going, oh, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, to try to earn ad revenue. That's not why we do this. And in fact, I do everything I can to earn less, because I'm making less and less videos and going live more and more, because live is real. Making videos makes people money. I'm not interested in making ad revenue. I'm interested in engaging with a real audience live, so you can check me, we can engage, we can argue, we can disagree. That's why we're here. Okay? Very, very important. And to make sure that we answer all the members and give the best service, every day now, every day, every live show, we go live to the members first. Members only. We literally don't even go, we're not even available to the general public. They don't even see it for the first 20 minutes. This morning it was 15 minutes before the general public were open into the stream. Okay? That's how it goes. So there you go. I don't just say what I'm going to do. I prove what I'm going to do. I back it up with my actions so you know that this is real. This is to help people, okay? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Chris, he doesn't have his own channel. He is on Sundays live at 3 p.m. Thank you, David. Thank you for everyone who jumps in with all the answers and comments. Really appreciate all the Lucasades being part of the army. NVIDIA looks juicy. Buy share. Look juicy. Buy share. Not sure what you mean by that. I wouldn't be buying it now. We like NVIDIA. It's one of our favorite stocks. However, just because we like it, we're not chasing it. We can see it going to $100. So, and we've got reason to say that. We're not just guessing, pick numbers out the sky and everything else, all right? So I didn't catch the Fed report yesterday. They didn't drop rates. David Ewan, there wasn't a Fed report yesterday. The Fed report is next week. We will cover it live. Do you know what I'm going to do? Because, in fact, I can't do it yet. I'll do it in a minute once the bell's gone. Wednesday the 18th, 6 days' time. Wednesday the 8th. I tell you what I'm going to do. Once the bell goes, so everyone knows what's going on, I'm going to create this event. Right? So you all know what's going on. And you can all be up to date with it. If everyone could tap the like button, please, that would be really, really cool. We've got 196 watching right now. NVIDIA is going down. We've got 5 minutes before the bell. The Donald Trump speech didn't make any difference whatsoever. It went down before he spoke. That was way before he spoke. He started to speak. It went up, sold off again, bouncing around there. The markets are undecided. They'll soon decide in the next 5 minutes. I see it going down. NVIDIA is collapsing right now. It's going down big. It's going down 138, 137. Yep. NVIDIA is moving now. I just told you, someone just said, yeah, buy NVIDIA. No, do not buy NVIDIA now. That is the worst thing you could do. Thank you, Martyn Lucas. I will post sequence of questions in German. Thank you much indeed. I thought yesterday was going to be a red day, but I was up 2,000. Is today supposed to be the Fed day instead? No. The Fed is on the 18th. There's no Fed day today. Look at NVIDIA now. Could go to $100 now. Yep. Okay. I've got some comments here in German. I will translate in a minute. We've got to ring the bell first of all. Let me save your comments. Oh, hang on. Mr. Beacon, now you're not a member of the channel. I have to focus on the members. I know you're asking me questions and I want to answer you, but we've got 200 viewers live right now. 98% of them are members. I have to focus on the members. I'm sure you understand. But I will come back to you. I will do my best. Right? But I can't do everything. I'm only human, okay? Right. 3 minutes ago, NVIDIA collapsing now. Please do not buy this. Do not buy this yet. It's not right yet. Steady. Wait. These idiots on YouTube going, they don't have a clue. They just want to sell videos. Okay. Bloody hell. My portfolio going up. Look at that. Exactly as we said. There is defensive. Coca-Cola doing its job for me. It's holding my portfolio up. Look, I'm at 135,000. My portfolio is hot. In fact, my portfolio is up. You see what I mean? This is the evidence right here, right now, live. You are seeing my portfolio hit an all-time high, even though the markets are going down. It's brilliant. You see what I'm saying? So important to understand the full complexity of all of this. My portfolio, the S&P is selling off. NVIDIA is collapsing. It's the biggest part of the S&P. And my defenses are holding me up. And I'm at an all-time high. I mean, what do you want to say? If you ever want evidence of how to balance a portfolio, you're watching it live on air right now. Why does the world turn? There's a good one. Don't know. NVIDIA is selling off. Bad China news yesterday after market. Bad China news. We've already covered that with the China news. It was nonsense. Absolute bloody nonsense. They're talking rubbish. They won't be cutting rates. They won't be. I doubt if they'll cut rates now. Yes, I agree with you. Teresa Roberts, welcome to the family. Let me just share the membership link here. There's the membership link. There's the X. There's the Instagram. Here's our free training. We cover all the costs for you. And Ed Nevius's services are about to get a lot better. We're about to upgrade all of the training programs for free. I'm covering all the costs. I'm giving it to all my members. It's what we do here on the channel. NVIDIA is going down. Look at that. Down 1.56, 137. Don't be surprised if NVIDIA hits $100 and then boom, straight back up again. Be careful. Be careful. Be investors, not gamblers. I love it. Chish, hi Martin, good afternoon from the UK. Welcome to you, Chish. 45 seconds to go before the bell goes. Going down, down, down. We warned everybody yesterday.
I want people to keep an eye on the insider selling.
We said, please do not buy the dip. The pump yesterday.
By a long shot. He was here actually for the listing of Trump hotels back in 1995.
Time person of the year.
Of The Apprentice in this building, Jim, back in 04.
Down goes NVIDIA. Down, 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 down she goes. NVIDIA is moving down. It's a massive day today. Be very, very careful. There it is. NVIDIA is going down. I just said do not buy it. We've got seconds to go before the bell. It's all kicking off now. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
The current president is not. He is no longer just a TV star. He's the incoming leader of the free world. He's going to ring the bell.
The bell has gone. There'll be a slight delay. It looks like Donald Trump is about to. Is he going to ring the bell? He's going to ring the bell. He's ringing the. Donald Trump rings the bell. Donald Trump rings the bell in the New York Stock Exchange. This is huge news today. However, the markets aren't really positive with it. They are going up on the bell as he did that, but at the end of the day, we are down, we are red. NVIDIA is collapsing as we watch this. Donald Trump there ringing the bell. An historic moment there for a president-elect to ring the bell. I don't know if that's ever happened before. That's quite a special moment. We'll stick with that there just for a moment. Donald Trump rings the New York Stock Exchange bell. USA. What a moment. What a moment. Live here on the show, we're catching Donald Trump ringing the bell. Fantastic. On the New York Stock Exchange. And I tell you what we'll do in honor of that, but be careful chasing this. This is not good news. I'm warning people, NVIDIA is collapsing right now. Please do not chase it. It could go as low as $100, but get ready to start to ladder in. So in the spirit of things this morning, we'll add this to our Donald Trump video. This is very, very cool today. We're going to add a special moment. I think we'll do it. Let me see if I can find it. I've slept since last time. Let me see. Where did I put this? Have I got a place for this? Just bear with me. I'm making this live. Here we go. In honor of the United States, in honor of a president elect, former president as well, ringing the New York Stock Exchange. USA, go, go, go. Everyone, spam the channel. I'm making this in a live video. Let's play you this.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight? Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the
There we go. We just saw Donald Trump ring the bell on the New York Stock Exchange. However, the markets don't like it. I warned everyone yesterday. Unfortunately, today is one of those days where people don't like the news, but the news is the news, and we're trying to help people and support people. Someone just said to me, don't say $100 for NVIDIA. That's a bit of a stretch when you say it's going down. Someone said that's too strong. Well, it is. I don't care whether you like me or not. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here. I hope I do make friends. I'm a very emotional, sensitive person, but I'm here committed to the members to providing the honest truth. If you don't like it, this channel is not for you. We have warned you and warned you and warned you about today's crash. I told you yesterday this was going to happen. I told you that Nvidia is going to 200. I also told you it could go to $100 before it goes there. This is not a good day today for gamblers. It's a great day for me. It's a great day for investors. Today is a day for investors, and today is a day for Americans. What we just witnessed there a few moments ago was Donald Trump ringing the New York Stock Exchange. However, expect a very volatile day today, sticky inflation in the United States, and it could about to get a lot worse if he puts the tariffs in place. Will he? I don't know. I've no idea. But what I do know is what I see right in front of me, and I can see quite clearly that the markets yesterday would not react to today's news at all, and they're not. So click above my head for all the links down below in the description. If you want to go and see Donald Trump give a speech from the New York Stock Exchange, I've got that just here. I recorded that earlier as it happened live. And down here, some more information. We'll put the FOMC report, the inflation report live. Jerome Powell live on the show. We've got to cover that. That's been the biggest event since XRP, which is the last biggest event. We just keep getting bigger events all the time, expecting at least 100,000 for the FOMC report. Can't miss that. We'll have the biggest audience in the world for that. So join us. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there's that one. I'm putting £100 into Nvidia. Is this a good time to buy XRP, or should we wait? I would do nothing right now, but Sensei will jump in when he's available to do that. All right. Gorilla Technology webinar tonight.
Derek
Reviewed yet? Yes, Derek?
Gorilla Technology webinar tonight. Reviewed yet?
Yes, we covered it live on the show. We had a members only live stream. I think you missed it though. We've got the video coming out shortly, and there'll be another update on that, Derek, as well. So stand by. I'm adding to the information that you gave me. So there's more to come, Derek. Thank you very much indeed. If Nvidia goes to 100 million, I'm all in. 100, I'm all in. Mobix is moving upwards. No surprise, we've got a world exclusive on Mobix coming up. We are asking questions live into the earnings call. We've had a live interview with the CEO as well, live on the show. Nvidia is still going down. Now you can start laddering in. The market now is finding support at this level. It's starting to hold. We're finding some support now. We've got the reaction. Now would be a nice time to start laddering in. Do not go all in on Nvidia, but ladder in. I would suggest buying it for the S&P anyway. That would be the better value. But now you can start to ladder in. What I mean by that is if you've got a $10,000 allocation for Nvidia, put $5,000 in now and then ladder in as it drops. If it goes up, it doesn't matter. You got plenty in there anyway. Just put an allocation of what you can afford to invest in Nvidia to one side and start to ladder in. This is interesting. I wonder if I can take profits from my Coca-Cola now. Keeps on going up, and buy the S&P. It's not really there. I have to have patience. It's exciting. I'd like to do it, but it's not the right time. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to do it yet. Coca-Cola is doing well. I've got my guaranteed dividends anyway, but we're still down 5%. We want that to hold till January. The S&P hasn't fallen enough. Nvidia hasn't fallen enough. Roth IRA hasn't gone up enough. So it's all a matter of waiting now. But we're just paying close attention. But Nvidia is starting to show some support now at 136. You might want to start laddering in. Yep, it's starting to move upwards. Here it goes. It had support there. It's only a small support though. So be careful. I don't know if it's... I still see 100 is completely possible. I'm getting too many questions. Would it be an idea to attend the webinar live tonight? There goes Nvidia. See, we said ladder in. showing support. What are you saying about Gorilla tonight? There's a webinar. I could cover it if everybody wants me to cover it. Members request it, possibly. I don't know. Possibly I could cover it. Why would I put money in Nvidia if it's collapsing? The price. What do you mean? Why would I put money into Nvidia if it's collapsing? The price has come down like it was like over 2%. That's a big drop this morning. Why is that not? I don't know what you mean by that. That's anyway, it's starting to find support at that 136. It's going up now. Good time. TPIT has definitely fallen enough. Iberian Wolf. Where do you think sound is going this week and QBS next week? Sorry, I have to focus on the members. Mind TB. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm getting too many questions, so I'm going to switch to members only for a moment because we're not able to bring all of this. I'm not able to provide the best service because I'm trying to speak to everyone and it's just not possible. So let me go to members only. If you've got a question, so for the next 5 minutes, if you've got a question, please repeat it. If you've got a comment, members only, please repeat it. There's your support. Look, Nvidia, ladder in and start trimming to get your seed money back out. So if you can make a quick couple of % profit on Nvidia, now would be a very, very good time to do that. On your IRA, remember, tax-free. Don't do it on your brokerage account. Do it on your IRA, preferably be Roth. And if anybody needs onboarding for our free training...
Shane Majuri has become a member.
Thank you, Shane. If anybody wants onboarding now on Discord for our training, now is the time to give me your username. And if you've given me your username before and I haven't accepted your friend request, give me your username again and I will go and look now.
Crafty Falcon has become a member.
Thank you, Crafty Falcon. 98% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel in the world. We're very proud of that. So if you want a question, if you've got a comment, or you need onboarding for our free training, I cover all the costs. I give it to all my members. It's about to get a major upgrade as well with Ed Nevius, scalp trading, one-on-one, up to one-on-one and some small groups. We're about to advance that service a lot more. I'm covering all of that. It's for members only. If you are accessing Discord, there is Discord. Once you've signed up, there you go. Did you take the small profit there from Nvidia? Hope you didn't go all in. Just take the profit and now you can get your seed money out. Lovely. Could go as low as 100. It's going back down again. I wouldn't be doing anything with XRP today. I would be completely out of the market. Look, it's way too speculative today. I mean, all crypto is speculative, of course, but I wouldn't be doing anything today. We bought it at 2. The next buy-in was 2. Our members bought it at 2. They all made money. They're all doing well. We got a big drop coming, but I wouldn't be buying it today. Taking profit is great, but I wouldn't be doing it. There's much bigger issues now with what's going on. And there we go. There it is. It's going down again. Well, I hope I took your profit. We said at this point here, there was some support. Buy here and take a small profit. And this is how I traded in October when I was on my holiday. I can't trade when I'm live on air. It's too complicated. But I know YouTubers will try and do it for views and stuff. I won't do it. It's not responsible. All right? People try and follow you anyway. It's not a good idea. Just to get views. We said buy here, small with support, sell it here and start buying it again. Ladder in and get your seed money out. So you end up owning Nvidia for free. But it could go as low as $100. Don't think it can't, because it can. Jim Cramer interviewing Donald Trump on right now?
He always ends up. That's the good news. But we have like Doug Burgum standing right over here, who's done a fantastic job. He's been on your show many times, and we have just tremendous people. I would say this. I think long term, this is going to be a country like no other. We had the 3 best years ever until COVID came in, and then we did a good job getting rid of it. The stock market, if you look at the markets, were higher than just previous coming in. When we handed it over, Now we know. I know the people. I know the players. When I came in, it was very interesting, Jim. I came in, and I was not a Washington guy. I didn't know too many people in Washington. I had to rely. Now, do I know people? I know people. I know people so much they're coming out of my ears. So we have great people.
Mark Zuckerberg?
Well, Mark Zuckerberg's been over to see me, and I can tell you Elon is another, and Jeff Bezos is coming up next week. And I want to get ideas. We want them to do well. We want everybody. We want jobs, fantastic salaries. We want people to love, and when they wake up in the morning, like, get up, and I love to go to work. I want to go to work. We want people working, and we want them working for a lot of money.
All right, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good to talk to you again.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vice President-elect. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Jim,
Donald
just,
Trump there having
just
an
incredible
interview.
ad hoc moment of live television there. Our Jim Cramer talks.
Historic day
Ringing the
here
opening bell here at the
for
beginning.
Donald Trump
David,
and America,
you
the
talk
New York
about
Stock
the
Exchange.
fusion of politics and capital markets in this room right now.
Yeah. Well, I mean, again, we've commented. Great job. He's coming back to the set. Yeah, we've commented on all the people who are here saying hello, obviously.
Fantastic
in the audience,
there. If
many
you
of
want to
the,
see more
senior-
of Donald Trump this morning giving a speech, and you want to see the moment he rung the bell, click above my head, down below in the description over here. I shall put the event as well over here. It's a big day for investors, a big day for Americans. The market has sold off today because inflation is sticky. Nvidia is taking a dip. We're trying to navigate through that. See it going as low as $100. But go and check out the other videos here of Donald Trump ringing the bell and giving a speech this morning from the New York Stock Exchange. What an historic day. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Coming up now, we have Donald Trump live from the New York Stock Exchange, a part of a 3 series. We saw him ring the bell earlier, give a speech, and now he's talking to Jim Cramer. And now on to that part of the video. Flipping it, what a day. I'm having to jump on all this. This will all come out as its own videos later. What a day this is turning out to be. Bloody hell, what a day. Right, members only. I need to come back to our members only. Hi, Mark. My membership need to be... okay. My membership need to be accepted. It's not working, I'm afraid. Yes, it is. You've got a badge. Martyn Malik. Your membership is accepted because you've got a badge next to your name. You've got a green badge, which means you are a new member. So it absolutely is working. They are gambling on XRP, massive fluctuations. Yeah, I would not be touching it right now. And thank you, Malk. This is the power of the members. Malk UK, you just took part in what later will be one of my viral videos. Malk UK, can I thank you very much for bringing me that news? This is the power of the Lucasades. We have members in 69 countries. Look at the S&P starting to consolidate, get tighter and tighter, ready for a move. It could go down or up. No one knows what it's going to do, but there's no reason why it would go up. Just be very careful of that. Anyway, that's the power of it. Thank you so much indeed. We had, as the tsunami warning was given in California, we had Zach running up a hill live on the show. Thank you, Malk. Later on, this video will probably be a viral video on our channel, and thank you for bringing that to me. That was amazing. I'm up 20% on Tesla. Should I close it? I'm unsure what to do. I would certainly take profits on Tesla, but that was yesterday, not today. Today, Tesla is going down big. It's down 1.7. The time was yesterday. I don't know how to make this clearer. I told everybody yesterday, live on the show, after we brought you the members-only live stream, saying, CPI yesterday was hot. Inflation was hot. The markets went up, pumped and pumped and pumped and pumped. I said, it's going to sell off in a minute. It took all day, but it did, in the end, sell off. This morning, it was, I said, PPI is the most important. PPI would be bad. It was. I said it would sell off. It did. Yesterday was the time to take the profit. No one should have been buying yesterday. I have no idea who was buying the market yesterday. Absolutely bonkers. But there you go. People do stupid things all the time. Anyway, sold my long today. It's long positive close, portfolio down. Isn't it nice? Thank you, Martin, to encourage me. Let's fix it, Joe. Congratulations, you've made some money. If you're making money, you never lose. How can you lose if you make profits? Sometimes I get confused by your suggestions. One day you said Nvidia is a long. Yes, it is. Nvidia is a long-term investment. It is. Now you're saying buy the pump and dump. Look, I have to be clear here, right? Nvidia is a long-term investment. You don't need to sell it. However, not everybody here is a long-term investor. There are traders here who get in and out of stocks. I'm simply saying trim the position, take some profit and add to it. When I say pump and dump, I don't mean buy all of it and sell all of it. I just said quite clearly on the show, ladder in, take some profit. That's a very big difference and sell it all and buy it all back. That's not what I said. And I'm glad you're, asking me because, everybody else is listening and the same thing. It's very important that we have these discussions. So Classic Carnut, thank you very much indeed. You're watching me. I'm not selling Nvidia. I own it through the S&P. I'm not selling my S&P today. I'm also not buying anymore, am I? So look what I'm doing. I'm not even trading out my Coca-Cola today, even though it keeps going up. I'm not doing anything. But those of you that trade, who don't have a balanced portfolio, those of you that aren't long-term traders, I'm saying it's going to go down. Well, I was right. It's gone down. You can see it quite clearly. I gave you the support level of when I reckon you can start laddering in, and I was right. It went up. And then I said take profit at that point, the point I showed you on the screen, and I said take some profit, and it dipped, and I was right. So what I'm saying is it's a long-term investment if you got a balanced portfolio like mine, and you can forget it, sleep, go to bed, you're not bothered. However, if you're trying to grow a portfolio and you want to be more aggressive and you want to trade, just giving you the suggestions of what we think is right and what's wrong. And also, we're telling you ahead of time that it would go down, and it has. So people were buying yesterday thinking that Tesla can go on forever because Cathie Wood keeps saying so. Cathie Wood's a bloody idiot. No, in fact, she's not a bloody idiot. She's very, very smart, but she's a liar. She's a manipulator. She gets everyone to buy her bloody stuff all the time, her ARK Invest, which makes her money. 99 times out of 100, she loses. She's done terribly with her investments. She told people what was it? To buy Robinhood. When Robinhood went up, she sold it, and it kept going up. She was out of it when it went up. She missed out on that one. She's missed out on loads of trades, but people forget that. Anyway, whatever. Cathie Wood talks bloody nonsense. Anyway. People coming out of my ears. It was a funny moment, that, wasn't it? I know so many people, it's coming out of my ears. Let's go, Trump. When the 50% drop is expected, when Sensei will tell you on Sunday. That's it. Oh, that's his bag. Good morning. Could you provide insights on ASTS? Thank you. I can't at the moment, but we've covered videos on it. NVIDIA news in Discord. Thank you very much indeed, Fight Channel. I'll go to that right now then. Nice one, Fight. What's your thoughts on H-bar? I don't have any opinions on that. That's Sensei's territory. We need urgently Sensei here. Commenting about XRP. As he said, it's 245. Can we hold it? We'll drop to 190 or so. Shall I see if I can get Sensei on the phone? Okay, let me have a look. Shall I call Sensei? The audience are calling for you if you can pop in. There you go. I've put a message out to Sensei and see if he responds. New video. Cathie Wood talks bloody nonsense. Yeah, she does. She's all about Cathie Wood. Right, I've got some NVIDIA news. Thank you very much indeed. Sent in by one of our members, one of the Lucas aides. So let's do that now. Links for YouTube. Thank you, Fight Channel. Interesting. Let me verify this. I like that. Right. I've got some NVIDIA news. NVIDIA increases headcount. Okay. 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 Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do an NVIDIA special. We're going to set this up now. Thank you to our member Fight Channel. This is very, very important. So we're going to do that now. So stand by. We are setting up a new event. This is big news coming out now with China, with NVIDIA. So I'm creating a new event. We'll switch to it in a second. This is very, very important. There's so much manipulation now. This is no surprise at all. Just before Donald Trump becomes president, this is all going to be all over the place. Okay. Just bear with me. I'm just creating this event for you. Just a couple of things. Yeah, the markets are selling off. Be careful. Please do not chase the market down. Let it settle. This is too early in the day for it to settle. I'm not buying it yet. When I start buying the S&P, you know I'm happy. And it ain't yet. It ain't yet. It's getting close because my defenses are making me money. So, but it ain't yet. It ain't this day. It certainly isn't this day. Right. Let me. Right. Just please bear with me just a moment. I'm setting up an event here. That's very, very important. Okay, boom, we're ready. There we go. I've created the thumbnail to explain the message. NVIDIA, markets are going down. NVIDIA expected to go lower. Okay. We're going to switch to a new event. Bloody hell. Seeing some really scary news now. Look at the market dip now. So here we go. We'll just go live, create this. We're going to switch to a new event in a moment. Yep. Okay, I've nearly created it. Just a few more seconds to go. We're going to automatically switch across and cover this breaking news. Thank you very much, Fight Channel, for bringing it to us. We will switch into a members only first of all, so we can bring the first breaking news to our members. Do not buy NVIDIA now. The moment for that support has gone. There was a quick trade there. There was a quick opportunity to buy there. That's gone now. That's gone. Let me clear away that. It's gone. It's getting weaker now. Okay. I want that, and I want this story as well. Okay, there's that. Okay, we're just about done. It will be members only for the first 20 minutes. Change so I can answer all the questions. Set. Members. There. Show more. Okay. No AI. No. No AI. Video. Next. Next. It's going to go live in. It's going to go live now. So it's a members only event. First of all, for the first 15-20 minutes. December the 12th. Done. Okay. It's now set. We're just going to bring it on the screen for you in a second. Markets are selling off. Quicker and quicker. Momentum is speeding up. Okay, so this live event will go to this event. There we go. That starts in a moment. Let me put the link on the screen for you in the chat so you can see it. You can either stay where you are, it'll automatically go there. Make an adjustment there. I'll give you the link in just a second. Why doesn't it always do that? Okay, that should be right now. Let me refresh the screen. NVIDIA's going down and down and down. Be careful. Okay, let me give everyone the link. It's a members only event first of all for all the news that we've got just coming in. It's coming in as I make this. It's coming in. Right, here is the news. NVIDIA live. Whoops. What the heck happened there? Oh no. Right, live now. Right, I'll pin that to the top. There it is. This is the event. This is what it looks like. We've got rumors of China trying to drive NVIDIA down, and it's working. NVIDIA rumor. There you go. I shall bring you all of that in a moment. Okay. NVIDIA's going down. The markets are going down. Please hold and wait. Have patience. I've given everyone the link for it. It will automatically go there. Thank you, Fight, for alerting me to this. This will be a big story coming out. Right, everyone's got the link. This will go directly to it. Customization, yes. Okay, guys, we're just going to get out quickly. That support is broken for NVIDIA, and we're going down now. The markets are selling off quickly. So we need to be ready to buy more. And I'll be looking to, I've got $61,489 ready to buy once I can get some money on my defensives, which is getting closer and closer and closer. So I'm about to pull the pin and deploy $10,000, but it's not there yet. I'm going to wait and wait and wait. It's not there yet, but I'm watching closely. Right, so we've got all the information. We can now switch over to it. So we should be able to do that now. You've got the link pinned into the chat. It will go there automatically. Let's do this. It's a members-only event for the first 15, 20 minutes, but we'll switch over to public when we've answered all the questions. All right, folks. Join me now on the NVIDIA breaking news as the markets go down, and it's gaining momentum as well. The inflation report was scary today. Okay, here we go. See you right there now. Take care of yourselves and each other.